Hey, good afternoon. Had your lunch?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
Yes. Let's start today's session.
Yes.
Okay, children. Good afternoon. Okay, children. Good afternoon to all. Let's start today's session. Okay, children. So, in the last session, we have learned about the important facts. I want everyone to sit straight. Okay, sit straight, all of you. We learned important facts about a sentence. In today's session, we are going to revise. Okay, we are going to revise about the sentence and we'll be doing exercises from our workbook. Okay, children, we are going to revise what we have learned in the previous session, what is a sentence, and what are the rules while writing a sentence, what are the rules we need to follow while writing a sentence, all this. Okay, children, so let us move on to the lesson. Okay, so we have already learned that we know what is a sentence is. Okay, what is a sentence? A sentence is a, all of you look at the screen, don't write anything. All of you close your books, put your pencils down, fold your hands there, and sit straight, all of you, and look at ma'am, all of you. I don't want anyone to write. I didn't ask anyone to write. Did I? I didn't ask anyone to write. You just sit straight and listen to ma'am and answer to my question. Okay, children. So we have learned that sentence is a group of words joined together to make complete sense. That is a sentence. Okay, children. So when we have to speak to someone, we speak in complete sentence. Okay, when we have to express our thoughts, we speak in complete sentences. But while writing a sentence, we need to follow certain rules. Okay, children. So in today's class, we are going to follow two rules we need to follow while writing a sentence. This we have already studied. The first rule is that we begin the sentence. Jerome, what are you doing there? Amen. All of you put your pencils down. Worksheet 3, we have come to the end of worksheet 3. So we have to do workbook exercises. So today we are going to revise the chapter and workbook exercises have to be done as home assignment. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, then listen properly. Mohammad Rayan. Okay. So, while writing a sentence, we need to follow two rules. The first one is we use capital letter begin a sentence. Is that clear? When we begin a sentence, we use capital letters. Okay. So not only there, when we write the names of, we also use capital letters when we write the names of person and places. Is that the first rule is clear to everyone? Yes, the first rule we need to follow while writing a sentence is use of capital letters. We use capital letters when we begin a sentence. Is that clear? When we begin a sentence, we also use capital letters when we write the names of person and names of places. That is the first rule. Second rule is use of full stop at the end of the sentence. Use of full stop at the end of the sentence. Full stop is very important in a sentence. We need to know where to put a full stop. We use full stop at the end of the sentence. Is that clear to everyone? Prithwin, what are you playing with? All of you keep your pencils down. Fold your hands, all of you. Yes. What did I tell you? What are the 2 rules? Prithwin, tell me, what is the first rule? What is the first rule we need to follow while writing a sentence? When you start writing a sentence, what is the first rule we need to follow?
Capital letter.
Very good, Prithwin. Okay, Amaya, tell me, what is the second rule we need to follow while writing a sentence? Amaya, unmute it and tell me. Yes. You all are playing there. All of you fold your hands. Yes. What is the second rule we need to follow while writing a sentence? First rule is correct.
Full stop.
Full stop.
Full
Very
stop.
good. Full stop. Okay. So all of you are listening. Very good. Okay. Then I told you that a sentence is a group of words joined together to make complete sense. Okay. Then we also told that when a sentence asks a question, what we have to do, Nakshatra? If a sentence asks a question, what we need to do?
Full stop.
Full stop we have to put. A sentence ends with a. If a sentence asks a question, for example, where do you live, Nakshatra? So what we have to do?
Question mark.
Yes, very good. We put a question mark. Where do we put Nakshatra? In the middle? Where do we put the question mark in the sentence? And very good. At the end of the sentence, we put a question mark at the end of the sentence to show that sentence is a question. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Have you all understood? Yes. Now, ma'am is going to share the screen. We will do. Are you listening?
Yes.
Yes, listen. We are going to do few examples on the board. After doing few examples, we will be doing exercises from the workbook. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes.
Now you don't do anything. Just fold your hands, sit straight and look at the screen. Let's revise. Then we will do the workbook exercises. Workbook exercises will be done in the class today. If you're not able to finish it, do it as home assignment. Is that clear? Okay, see how
Yes,
ma'am is
ma'am.
doing it on the board. If you're not quick enough, you can't finish it quickly. Leave it. Don't do it now. You can do it as home assignment. Those who can write quickly, you do it. Okay, children? Can't wait for everyone to finish. Okay, children, ma'am is going to share the screen. Okay, all of you look at the screen. Don't write anything. I've already told you. We will revise what we have learned. Then we'll move on to the sentence workbook exercises. Sentence. Look at the first sentence. Okay, what ma'am is going to write here. The sky. Who's talking there? The sky is blue. Okay, ma'am is going to read the sentence for you. The sky is blue. Here, the sentence begins with a capital letter
Full stop.
T and ends with a full stop. Is
Full
that clear?
stop.
That's all we need to do. Second sentence, ma'am is going to write. She gave
She gave
the.
the
You don't write anything. I've already told you. She gave the book to Amit. Okay, she gave the book to Amit.
to Amit.
Yes. Here in this sentence, ma'am has started the sentence with a capital letter S. Okay, since it is the beginning of the
Yes.
sentence. Okay, we use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. S is a capital letter, and we have to end the sentence using a full stop.
Full stop.
Who's talking?
Ma'am, right?
I told you, don't write. This is just, we are revising the chapter. Okay, when we do the workbook exercises, you can write. Now, the word Amit is a name of a person. I told you not to write. The word Amit is a name of a person. So we have to begin the word with a capital letter A, Amit, as we write Angelica. When we write Angelica, how do you write your name? The first letter A should be written in?
Capital letter.
Very good. Same way, the word Amit is a name of a person. Yes. So Amit has to be written in capital letter A. Okay. Now we'll move on to the third sentence. We
Yes, ma'am.
live in Delhi. Okay. Here in this sentence, the sentence begins with a capital. I'll read the sentence once more for you. We live in Delhi. Okay. So we begin the sentence with a capital letter W and end the sentence using a full stop. And here the word Delhi is the name of a place. So Delhi should be written in capital letter, as we use capital letter when we name a place. Okay. So we use
Okay,
capital
ma'am.
letter when we write names of places. Okay, children, is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Now we'll move on to the fourth sentence. Where do you where do you live? Here in the sentence asks a question. So we have started the sentence with a capital letter and we have to end the sentence
With the question mark. Question mark. Question mark. Question mark.
and we have to end the sentence
mark.
using a question mark.
Question mark.
Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
All of you, you should be ready with your workbook. We'll be doing exercises from the workbook. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Workbook.
All of you take your workbook and take page number 9. Page number 9. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Take your pencils in your hand. I wanted to see everyone ready with your workbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready with your workbook? Who is talking there? Who's talking there? Who's talking? That too in Malayalam loudly? Huh? Are you all ready with your workbook on the table?
Yes.
With your pencil, Nakshatra, Aaron. Yes. Now all of you look at the screen. No talking. Not even a word to be spoken. Unless a question has been asked to you, you're not going to speak anything. Here, we are in worksheet 3, page number 9, punctuation. Only in a sentence we can put punctuation marks. Have you understood? That's why ma'am has written here sentence. Now all of you look here. Punctuation marks means capital letters, use of capital letters and full stop. Now we'll move on to this. All of you look at the screen, I told you.
Ma'am,
Yes, why? All of you look at the screen. Yes. Use of capital letters. We use capital letters to begin a sentence, names of people and names of places.
Ma'am, I didn't write the notes, so can you send me WhatsApp? I didn't write notes, so can you send me WhatsApp?
Children, will you stop your talking?
Ma'am, Ma'am,
Unless you stop your talking, I can't continue with my class.
can I ask one doubt?
You fold your hands and sit there and listen to the class now.
Ma'am,
Yes, what is your problem?
Ma'am, I didn't write the notes, so can you send it WhatsApp?
If you have not completed your notes, children, you can send the message through the WhatsApp or you can call me. Not now. Okay, children?
Can you send a WhatsApp group?
Okay, let me continue.
Okay.
Okay. So here are the examples. You can see here, he is my friend. Ma'am, I've started the sentence with a capital letter H. All of you look at the screen. Some of you are not at all listening to the class. The ma'am has started this sentence, he is my friend. This sentence begins with a capital letter H and ends with a full stop. Have you noticed? Workbook exercises will be done by you. You're going to do it.
Ma'am, this is right.
Now you don't write, wait. My name is Akshay. This sentence starts with a capital letter M and ends with a full stop. Again, they will ask, ma'am to write, ma'am to write.
Ma'am, this one to write.
You can't understand English? Now listen. This,
Ma'am, this one to write.
who's that talking there? Who's talking here? Huh? Yes, my name is Akshay. Here, this sentence starts with a capital letter M and ends with a full stop. You can see here the word Akshay is the name of a person and it begins with a capital letter A. Here in the sentence, she lives in Delhi.
Ma'am, this right.
Begins with a capital letter
Ma'am,
and
this
ends with a
right.
full stop. May I know who is talking? And Delhi is a name of a place. I told you very, very clearly, we are not going to write anything. We are going to do the workbook exercises, page 9 and 10. Wait till then. Let that sheet come. Let the slide come. Then we can start doing it. She lives in Delhi. This is just, we are recapping on what we have learned.
Amma. One. Amma. Amma.
She lives in Delhi. Delhi is the name of a place. Okay, so Delhi, we have to begin the word Delhi with a capital letter D. Okay, children, so we'll move on to the next slide. Here, use of full stop. You have all of you seen that we have to end the sentence using a full stop. Okay,
ma'am.
we have to end the sentence using a full stop. Have you seen the full stop at the end of the sentence? Yes. Then the question mark. If a sentence asks a question, we have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Have you seen all this? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? How old are you? It's a question sentence. So we have to end the sentence using a question mark. Can you read English? The sentence asks a question. So we have to end the sentence using a question mark. Now we move on to the exercises. Now all of you take your work. Take page number 9. Take your pencils in your hand. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everyone will be given a chance. Okay.
Achu page irta. Ma'am.
Shivada, read the sentence for me. Shivada, read the sentence. Use capital letters and full stop wherever necessary in page number 9. So this is what you have in page number 9. Look at the screen. Okay, Shivada, read the sentence. Read the sentence. She is my louder. Shivada.
My sister.
Very good. She is my sister. So Shivada, what should I do? What should I do? Yes. Begin the sentence with a capital letter.
Full stop.
No, I have to begin the sentence with a capital letter.
Full stop.
First, I have to begin a sentence, no, Shivada. How will I begin the sentence?
With letter.
Capital letter, yes. The capital letter. She is my sister. Only then the end comes. First, I have to begin a sentence. Okay. And at the end of the sentence, what should I do, Shivada? What should I do? Full stop. Okay, Aaron, come on, tell me, read the next one for me. Aaron, look here. Look at the screen and read the sentence for me. Aaron will read. Yes, read the sentence. Aaron. Where did Aaron go now? How many Aarons are there in that class? 2D class? Only one. Only that Aaron will read the sentence. Aaron, read the sentence. Where did Aaron go? Huh? Aaron? Aaron?
My father.
Okay, Evangeline, read the next Aaron started reading.
Then I read.
I want Aaron to read.
My father.
My father is a...
My father is a doctor.
Okay, my father is a doctor. So what I should do, Aaron? Where is Aaron? What should I do?
I did.
M should be written in?
Capital letter.
Very good. M should be written in capital letter. My father. Then all rest in small letters. Only M should be written in capital letter. My father is a doctor.
Doctor.
Then at the end of the sentence, what should I do? At the end of the sentence, what should I do?
Full stop. Full
Full stop. Very good. Now, Danush, read the next one for me. Danush, yes, read the next sentence for me. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Who is not there? It's a spelling error. Jack and Jill went up the hill. So Jack and Jill is a name of a person. So what should I do?
Capital letter.
Capital letter. Very good. J should be in capital letter. J should be in capital. Jack's J should be written in capital letter. And Jill is a name of a person. Jack and Jill are names of two persons. Okay, went up. Went up the hill. Okay, went up the hill. And at the end of the sentence, what should I do? The full stop. Anushka, read the next one for me. Yes, cow. Read it. Cow. Anushka, read that. Anushka, no? Read that sentence for me.
I'll give us
Cow.
I'll
Cow.
gives
gives us milk. Yes, cow gives us milk. So, what should I do? Not clear, Anushka. Louder. C should be written in. C should be written in capital letter. Cow. Cow.
Gives
Cow gives
us milk.
milk. At the end of the sentence, what should I do? Full stop. Very good. Okay. Now, Agni, read the next one for me. Unmute it and read it. Yes, read the sentence for me. Agni, read the next sentence for me.
The name of my school is Dr. Raju Davis International School, Malayalam.
Okay. How will I write the sentence using capital letters and full stop? How will I start the sentence?
Capital letter.
C should be written in capital letter. Very good. The name of my school is Dr. Raju Davis International School is the name of our school. So it's the name of a place. So place name has to be written in capital letter. So here Dr. D should be written in capital letter. Dr. R should be written in capital letter. Dr. Raju. Dr. Raju Davis International. I should be written in capital letter. International School. S should be written in capital letter. And there is a comma there for you. And write Mala. After Mala, what we have to do? After Mala, what we have to do? The sentence has come to an end.
I don't write.
If you don't write, it's okay. This has come to the end. What we should do? Put a full stop if the sentence ends. Okay, children. Now we'll move on to the next slide. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes. Now all of you take page number 10. Page number 10. Maria, read the next one for me. F. Are you all writing?
Yes.
Are you all writing? Are you all writing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Milk is good. Maria, read that sentence for me. Yes, read Maria.
Milk is good for
Health. Very good. Milk is good for health. So, what should I do here, Maria? I have to begin the sentence using a capital letter. Yes. Your M should be written in capital letter. Very good. M should be written in capital letter. M. Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk is good for health. At the end of the sentence, what should I do? Very good, Maria. We'll move on to the next one. Who did not get a chance? Vinayak, read the next one for me. Vinayak, read the sentence for me. Unmute it and read it. Unmute it and read it, Vinayak. Can you see the sentence? Yes, it's there in your workbook. Yes, an apple a day. Yes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So what should I do, Vinayak? How will I rewrite the sentence using a capital letter and a full stop?
Last
Huh?
stop.
Yes, full stop. How will I do it? The first letter, I have to begin the sentence using a here. A should be written in.
Capital letter.
I have to tell you all this. A should be written in capital letters. So an apple, A-P-P-L-E, an apple a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Keeps the doctor. Keeps the doctor away. At the end of the sentence, Vinayak, what should I do? What should I do, Vinayak? Vinayak is there? Vinayak.
Full stop.
Full stop. Yes, it's quite easy. Yes, this is a easy chapter. Nothing else to do. Just a capital letter and a full stop. Okay. Muhammad Rayyan. MU.
Yes.
Read the next one for me.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall.
Sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty. Is a rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So where we have to use capital letters?
Okay, ma'am.
H should be written in? Humpty. Humpty. Dumpty. Dumpty's D should be written in capital letter. Dumpty sat on a wall. And at the end of the sentence, what we should do? Stop. Very easy. But while you're writing, please don't forget to put a full stop. Okay? Sat on a.
Very
Okay, ma'am. L-E-A-R-N. Event. Learn.
Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Business.
Sat on a wall. At the end of the sentence, put a full stop. Okay? Okay. The next one.
Learn.
Joanna, read the next one for me.
Learn. And rice. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, read it. Read it fast. The sun. The sun rises. The sun rises in the east. Okay. So when I begin a sentence, what should I do? Here capital letter T. Okay, the sentence begins with a capital letter T here. The sun
rises in the east.
Very good. The sun rises in the east. At the end of the sentence, what should I do?
Full stop. Full stop.
Yes, full stop. Just at the end of the sentence, put a full stop. Okay, we have one more exercise in page 10. Okay, we have one more exercise in page 10. So that you have to finish it. This is what the exercise is. And also this exercise you have to finish. Okay. So children, I hope you all have understood how to write a sentence.
We have to write it.
Have you all understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Have all of you understood how to write a sentence? When we write a sentence, the two rules we need to follow. While writing, when we begin a sentence, we have to begin a sentence using a capital letter and end the sentence using a full stop. Okay? Okay, children? Yes, workbook exercises has to be done. I'll send the note in the WhatsApp what you're supposed to do. Okay. What you're supposed to do, I will send which all pages you have to do it. So we have come to the end of this chapter, worksheet 3. Okay. So we have to do workbook exercises which are there in page number 9 and 10. So, okay, children, we have come to the end. Okay, bye, children.
Bye,
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.